Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss about difference between monocot and dicot plants. So let's start our video. Monocot embryos and dicot embryos. Monocot embryos have a single cotyledons as well as dicot embryos have a pair of cotyledons. Look at a picture that represent one cotyledon and as well as two cotyledons. One cotyledon represent monocot and the two cotyledons represent dicot plant. Another difference between monocot and dicot is root system. Monocot root system have fibrous root system as well as dicot root system have tap root system. So if we talk about fibrous root system, roots that arise from base of the stem are called fibrous root system, and if we talk about taproot system, they grow vertically downward. The another difference is dicot stem and monocot stems. So if we talk about dicot stems have well-defined epidermis with cuticle. A ring of vascular bundles composed of xylem and phloem are also present here. But if we talk about monocot stems that are circular shaped and are bounded with a layer of epidermis. Monocot and dicot leaves. Monocot leaves have parallel venation that are parallel in shape, and if we talk about dicot, leaves in dicot have in reticulate or net venation, like veins are linked together in a web-like structure. In monocot flowers, the number of individual parts of the flower is equal or multiple of 3. But if we talk about dicot flowers, the number of individual parts in a dicot flower is equal to or multiple or 4 or 5. Here is the image that represent the difference between monocot flower and dicot flower. Now we summarize the whole topic with this diagram that represent the difference between monocot and dicot plant. First of all, this represent the seed system. Monocot have one cotyledon as well as dicot have two cotyledons. And the root system is based on fibrous root system in monocot plant and taproot system in dicot plants. And the flower is have petals in multiples of 3 के पेटल्स इसमें 3 होती हैं या फिर मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 3 होते हैं बट द डाइकॉट हैव 4 और 5 पेटल्स लीफ इज नैरो पैरेलल एंड वेन्स पैरेलल वेन्स में फॉर्म होते हैं जबकि डाइकॉट प्लांट्स हैव ओवल और पॉलमेट एंड नेट लाइक वेन्स दैट टू फॉर्म अ नेट लाइक स्ट्रक्चर vascular bundle is scattered in monocot plants but in dicot they have ringed structure. Pollen grains have one, but in dicot they have 3 pores or furrows. 10 most important examples of monocot plants are corn, grass, coconut, orchid, banana, wheat, daffodil, onion, iris. 10 examples of dicot plants have been coffee, pea, rose, sunflower, apple, maple, mint. If you understand this topic, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.